Hey guys, Harsh here, back in video. So recently we uploaded the review of the Realme C11. So today I am going to keep up my promise and do the gaming test of this particular smartphone. It is advertised as a gaming phone, so let's check out how it really stands up to that point. So let's start. So as you can see, or you cannot see that the battery percentage is currently at 94%. So I think we'll game around until it reaches 14 or 4%. So let's open up the PUBG Mobile app, and I am opening it for the first time. So it will be good to see how the PUBG Mobile assess this phone in terms of graphic quality, because as you know probably that if you open PUBG Mobile in a new smartphone, it already sets the video quality to high, medium or low. So let's check that. Obviously the game is starting for the first time and it took a lot of time. Okay, so now let's go to the setting and check the default graphic settings. So it is over here, and as you can see that the highest frame rate that can be achieved is medium, and the graphics is already set as smooth. So let's see if it can go to HDR. No, sadly, and it cannot also go to HD, and it can go to balance mode, so that's pretty nice. And just see the frame rate drop. So it is not a huge difference from smooth to balance, but I am going to set it again on smooth because we need the highest frame output from this. So let's select smooth and click OK and just start again. So got the stopwatch over here, and let's start the timer from now on. So let's go. Okay, so we are in the game and I am recording this at 60 fps, so you can get the best quality from a smartphone to see how actually this phone performs. So the frame rates are pretty substantially good for a smartphone at this price point. So let's go to a game and see how it performs, and I will give you an update on half an hour. And the current battery percentage is now at 92%.
1 hour later.
Okay, so the phone, sorry for the phone brightness, but right now we are at 1 hours and 9 minutes approximately, as you can see on the watch over here, and the battery percentage is at 77%, as you can see on the top right over here. So we will be here for a while, so stay tuned for the next update, which will be in the next hour.
1 hour later.
Okay, so now it is 2 hours and 16 minutes. So let's check the battery percentage, and it is currently sitting at around 63%. So that's amazing because it has a massive battery, and this is the performance that we need to get from this smartphone. So let's start the gaming session, and I think we will do this type of gaming for another 2 to 3 hours. So let's start the new game and see how it performs, and I will get you the next update in the next hour.
1 hour later.
Okay, so now we are at 3 hours and 20 minutes and I'm still tired of playing this game. So the battery percentage is now at 48%. So I mean, you can get the double time of it, so by calculating the time period that the battery is drained. So that's it for this video, and I am not going to play it anymore because I am now fed up of this game and I could not play it anymore. Okay guys, so this was pretty intense for me and very mentally heavy for me to do that, because 3 hour gameplay is not very my thing, but 2 hours is sufficient for me. But after 3 hours I get dizzy or whatever. So this phone did not heat a lot of it, but you can feel the heat that the phone is heating up, but it does not heat that much to cause you any problems on holding the phone or whatever like that. But anyway, this was a very good experience with this phone, and the battery life was incredible. I mean, I cannot believe the battery life of this phone at this price point. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.